Do you dream of working around awesome RVs and boats? Here at Colton RV and Marine, we are looking for sales reps and parts experts to join our outdoor loving team.
As a sales representative, you'll help customers find the perfect RV or boat for their next adventure.
Build relationships and have a positive impact on our customers' outdoor lifestyles.
Develop sales skills and product knowledge in an ever-growing field.
As a retail parts and accessories associate, you'll get to provide orientations to customers and teach them how to use their new RV.
Assist customers with finding the correct parts and accessories for their camper.
Maintain inventory accuracy to ensure a seamless experience.
You'll also enjoy amazing benefits like vision, medical, dental, and a 401k plan.
Paid time off and holidays because adventure time is encouraged here.
An employee rental program so you can take your friends and family out on the open road.
We are looking for smart, hungry, and humble people who are also adventurous, who can take our customers' dreams and turn them into reality. So if you would like to start your journey here at Colton RV and Marine, apply today.